Aerowerks offers two types of tray accumulator systems, and the right one for you depends on the space available in your dish room and the location of your drop-off area. The Aerowerks Space Miser is a new form of tray accumulator for applications where maximum accumulation is required in a limited space. Our traditional tray accumulator is a merry-go-round style, while the new Space Miser is like a Ferris wheel, or like putting it on its side. The Space Miser tray accumulator system frees up valuable floor space in a tight dish room. The unique design uses vertical space above or below the scrapping table, creating a continuous loop from the cafeteria tray drop window to the dish room. This method of tray accumulation opens up an array of design possibilities. Space Miser can even be configured for multi-floor accumulation and delivery, allowing a design that places the dish room above or below the dining area and freeing up valuable prime space on the main floor. Trays are deposited into cages at an easy access window and conveyed to the dish room. It's easy to remove items, scrape, sort, and organize, then push stacks onto the slat belt. Stacks are then advanced with a hip switch for accumulation, and then everything is conveyed to the load end of the dish machine automatically. Or the cages can be designed for trayless dining applications, allowing any items to be placed in the cages. Fast-paced dish room operations will see increased labor savings immediately with the Space Miser automated tray accumulation. Staff can now perform other duties in the dish room while trays accumulate instead of waiting for each one. The capital cost of the system will see quick payback thanks to operator efficiency and minimal construction costs. Each Aerowerks system is installed by our own experienced Aerowerks factory technicians. Hobart Corporation, our strategic partner, provides nationwide service for all Aerowerks systems. Aerowerks, bringing new solutions to the table.